Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Today's topic is international law. Let's start. International law is a globally accepted set of rules, agreements and customs that dictate how sovereign countries interact with one another. Its primary goals are to maintain global peace, resolve disputes and protect fundamental human rights without relying on a single global police force. Key types of international law. First, public international law. It governs the relationship between sovereign nations and international entities. It includes state responsibility, the use of force, treaties, law of the sea, and human rights. Second, private international law, also known as the conflict of laws. It handles disputes between private individuals or corporations from different countries rather than between states. For example, a cross-border contract dispute or international divorce. Primary sources. International law derived its authority from several recognized sources, primarily outlined in the statutes of the International Court of Justice. First, international conventions and treaties. It means explicit written agreement concluded between states. For example, the Charter of the United Nations that acts as a binding contract. Second, international custom. It means general consistent practices that states follow out of a sense of legal obligation. Third, general principles of law. It means rules recognized and applied by civilized legal systems worldwide. Enforcement and institutions. Unlike domestic legal systems, international law lacks a centralized legislature to make laws or a unified global police force to enforce them. Instead, it operates heavily on state consent, reciprocity, and mutual compliance. Major bodies and tribunal include First, International Court of Justice. It is the primary judicial organ of the United Nations which settles legal disputes submitted by states and gives advisory opinions on legal questions. Second, the International Criminal Court. It prosecutes individuals for the most severe international offenses, including genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. Third, the World Trade Organization. It oversees and enforces multilateral trade agreements and resolves trade-related disputes between member nations. Core areas of international law. First, human rights. It protects fundamental freedoms and human dignity across the globe. It ensures individuals are treated fairly regardless of their nationality. Second, diplomacy and treaties. It governs how nations establish embassies, conduct negotiations, and create legally binding agreements. Third, law of the sea. It regulates the use of the world's oceans, including shipping lanes, territorial water, and marine resource rights. Fourth, international trade. It manages commerce, tariffs, and business disputes between different countries to ensure fair global markets. Fifth, environmental law. It focuses on cross-border and global ecological issues such as climate change, pollution, and wildlife protection. Sixth, law of armed conflict. That is international humanitarian law. It sets the rules of warfare, aiming to protect civilians, prisoners of war, and limit the methods of violence.